Welcome back to the channel for another video on our 22 WRX. I'm happy to announce that TDMi has partnered up with us on our build, and because of that partnership, we are able to offer you guys a coupon code that you guys can use as well. We'll have that on the screen. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about what brakes we purchased from TDMi. We'll go over all the options that they have on their website, and we'll go over the reason why. So this is the first of a few episodes that we're going to have on the TDMi brakes. This is just the preview. Obviously the brakes have already been ordered, so once they come in, we will do an unboxing and we'll check out how everything looks. And then obviously we're going to install them and then test them out. So definitely stay tuned for those other episodes, but enough talking, let's get to this episode. All right, to start the video, we're going to go over to TDMi's website. You can see on just their front page, if you scroll down, you can see some of the parts they have. They do have a category for the WRX, and then they have just a breakdown of categories, some parts that they offer. But let's go to the top, and we are interested in the brakes. So on this page, it shows you the brake options that they have. They have the 4-piston front on the left. They have the rears there as well. They have, if you go to the very bottom, they have the 6-piston option as well. And then they have the rotor ring replacement, because it is a 2-piece floating rotor, and then pad replacement as well. So the brake kit that we purchased for our car here is the 4-piston version. So let's click on that. So this is TDMi's EL Series 4-piston big brake kit for the WRX. This kit basically comes with everything. It comes with new lines, comes with the mounting brackets for the new calipers, comes with 2-piece floating rotors. So you don't need to have a rotor spacer. Now if you do have a 17-inch wheel, they do say at the bottom that you will need a spacer just for clearance for the wheel. But if you have an 18-inch, it just bolts right on. So there's a few reasons why I went with the 4-piston over the 6-piston, and the main thing is weight savings. HeavyMetalWRX made a great video, I think it was a few weeks ago. I will have that linked in the comments below, but he made a great video about just comparing all the brakes that are currently offered for the car. Just one thing they didn't touch up on was the weight of the brakes versus the stock. So that was definitely one reason why I went with a 4-piston setup over a 6-piston setup, was for weight savings. Now on TDMi's website at the bottom, you did see they did advertise the stock weight. So they're saying the stock rotor and brake, basically everything that we're going to be taking off, is 36 pounds. That's each side. And then the TDMi setup that we're putting on is 26 pounds. So that's a 10-pound saving per wheel. And this is an all-wheel drive car, so that's 10 pounds of like rotating mass like taken off of the drivetrain. So not only is a 4-piston brake going to give us better clamping force and stopping power than our current brake setup, it's also going to be lighter. So if you're getting all 4 corners done, that's 40 pounds of savings off the drivetrain. I mean, that is a lot. Not only is that going to stop the car better, but it's going to be quicker as well, since that's all together combined 40 pounds. We are going to be installing just the front brakes on this car. We're going to leave the rear stock for now. Maybe in the future we'll get the rears done as well. But we're just going to be dropping 20 pounds off of our drivetrain, and then we're going to have the 4 pistons in the front, and then in the future we'll be able to upgrade the rears to the 2 pistons in the back. Because TDMi has partnered up with us, they were nice enough to provide us with a discount code. So it can only be used 20 times. So if you want to get some brakes, definitely use this code, as it can only be used 20 times. Depending how fast people use the code, maybe I can talk to them and maybe we can get the code activated again. But if you want to save some money, make your car stop better, a little bit quicker by saving some weight, definitely use that coupon code. But that's all I got for you guys on this one. Once our front brakes come in, we will do a little unboxing, and then we are going to install and test them out. Until next time, see ya.